Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to connect your Gmail to Wix inbox. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have all of your websites in one place. We have the design site in the top right corner and the design site in the top bottom left corner. We have the settings and of course the dashboard where we are at the very moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and connect your Gmail to Wix inbox. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So go to inbox in your site's dashboard. At the moment, as you can see, we are in the site dashboard and inbox is on the left side of the screen, as you can see somewhere in the middle. Click on it and wait for it to, of course, load. When it loads, then you need to click settings at the top right corner. So click on the top right corner and there you have settings. As you can see, a drop down menu will be. There you need to click on email. Click on email, click use Gmail address in the send emails from your Gmail address section. Then click continue with Google and select the Google account you'd like to connect and click allow. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.